Good morning. Today we are going to study our topic on the difference between a latch and a flip-flop. As you can see, here I have drawn the SR latch, and this SR latch we have 9 gates in it. Such a circuit has the limitation that it doesn't have any control inputs, so it's not so much useful, as the values of S and R can change accidentally or intentionally. So such a circuit is meaningless, and in order to make such a circuit meaningful, what we have to do is we have to simply connect the control operation. So for that, what we do is we just connect additional circuit like this. So here what I am doing is I am attaching another NAND gate. Okay, and here we are having another NAND gate. Okay, this is S, this is R, and this is the control input. This is the control input, and this is enable input. Right now I am calling it as enable input, that is EN. Okay, now since this is S, this is R, so let us make this as S star and this as R star. Okay, now we have attached this additional circuit in which we are having the enable input. So here, as you can see, that this is the main control input which we have connected, and now let us see how this particular circuit it can function in both ways. Like it can function as a latch also, and it can function as a flip-flop also. So the main difference lies in the way we make use of this control input. When we talk about the latch, presently we have given the enable input as a control function. So at this particular instant of time, when we are having enable input, this particular circuit diagram will operate as a latch. For latch, there is level triggering. Level triggering is in which we are having a waveform like this, in which we have some input given like this, something like this. So whenever this enable input is high, it is known as level triggering. So this circuit will operate always when we are having this enable input high. Okay, whenever it is high, this will work as a latch, and this is known as level triggering. So this control input helps us in deciding the values of SR to be changed as per the way we want it to change, and accordingly the output values that are stored, they can be changed as we want. So this is about the latch. Now when it comes to flip-flop, this particular circuit diagram, it will work as a flip-flop mainly when the control function or this control input which we have given over here is when we attach clock over here. In that case, instead of latch, this circuit will work as a flip-flop, and the main difference lies is in the way that clock is operational, and this is the waveform of a clock which I have drawn over here. And here you can see that clock has two types of edges, that is, it is from the, this is the rising edge, this is the falling edge. So the triggering that occurs is, it can be from low to high, or when the clock pulse goes from high to low. So when the clock is connected as an input to this circuit, the circuit behaves like a flip-flop, and when the enable input is being connected and there is a level triggering, then the circuit behaves like a latch. So this way there is a slight difference between the way the latch and a flip-flop operate. Thank you.